Have you ever felt like something in your life is quietly ending, even though you didn't ask for it? That's because Allah is already preparing you for what comes next. Every closed door, every sudden change, every moment of uncertainty is part of His divine plan. What feels like loss or delay is often mercy in disguise, shaping your heart, your faith, and your purpose. Just as He prepared the prophets before their greatest moments, He is quietly working in your life, arranging ease, wisdom, and strength. Today, let us reflect on how the ending you fear may actually be your beginning. What you fear as an ending often carries unseen care. When Allah removes something, it is never random or cruel. Protection sometimes arrives disguised as separation, disappointment, or sudden change. The heart resists because it loved familiarity, not because it was safe. Allah sees dangers you cannot, futures you do not know, and outcomes that would have harmed your iman. So He intervenes quietly, before damage becomes permanent, before wounds deepen, before the soul drifts further from Him. Divine protection may hurt briefly, but it saves eternally, redirecting you toward purity, strength, and reliance upon Allah alone with wisdom unseen. Before Allah allows clarity to arrive, He nurtures the servant in unseen ways. Growth begins long before results appear, often in silence and uncertainty. Skills are refined, hearts are softened, and intentions are purified, while nothing seems to change on the surface. This unseen phase teaches sincerity, resilience, and dependence upon Allah, rather than outcomes. When the moment of revelation finally comes, it feels sudden, but it is not. It is the result of careful divine timing. Allah prepares the believer internally so that blessings do not become a test that breaks them, but a gift they can carry with humility and gratitude. Loss can feel like abandonment, yet within it lies care. Allah may remove a person, plan, or opportunity to spare the heart from harm. What departs creates space for healing, clarity, and trust. The soul learns that attachment belongs to the giver, not the gift, and reliance shifts toward what is eternal. Mercy arrives through emptiness. Through loss, arrogance softens, gratitude matures, and faith becomes intimate. What was taken may have delayed growth or distracted purpose. Allah replaces in ways unseen, restoring peace before replacing possessions, and teaching that true gain is nearness to Him, even when hands feel empty. Trials carve depth into faith, turning fragile belief into firm conviction. Comfort rarely teaches endurance, but pressure reveals sincerity and strength. Through struggle, the believer learns humility, discipline, and reliance upon Allah when every support falls away. Hardship exposes weaknesses not to shame, but to refine character and awaken the heart. Each difficulty reshapes priorities, stripping illusions and strengthening patience. Pain becomes a teacher that polishes the soul, preparing it for responsibility and trust. When ease returns, the heart carries wisdom earned through endurance, recognizing that growth was formed in moments once questioned by minds seeking relief rather than meaning. Whispers made in solitude never disappear. A dua released quietly carries sincerity that echoes beyond sound. Even when the tongue stops asking, the heart continues hoping, and Allah responds in ways deeper than immediate relief. Answers may arrive as strength, restraint, or redirection, rather than what was requested. Silence does not mean neglect. Some responses unfold slowly, so faith matures without dependency on outcomes. What seems unanswered is often being reshaped to arrive at the safest moment. Allah hears every breath between words, granting what protects the soul. Trust grows when the believer realizes that timing is part of response. Waiting stretches the heart, yet wisdom hides within the pause. A delay is not denial, but alignment, arranging events so outcomes arrive without regret. Allah slows what would harm if rushed, protecting intentions from arrogance and hearts from breaking under premature responsibility. Time educates the believer through patience, humility, and trust. When openings finally appear, they carry ease instead of chaos. What arrives late often arrives complete, proving that divine timing values wholeness over haste and safety over speed. Every pause reshapes destiny gently, ensuring readiness meets opportunity without fear or loss. At the moment mercy outweighs desire completely perfectly, closure is not forgetting, it is understanding why something cannot remain. Allah allows endings so hearts release what chains them to the past. Holding on too tightly can delay healing and cloud judgment. Letting go is an act of trust, not weakness, accepting that some paths were lessons, not destinations. Growth follows release. When space is created, faith expands and clarity settles. New strength forms where attachment once lived. Closure teaches maturity, helping the believer walk forward lighter, wiser, and ready for what Allah intends next, with patience, humility, gratitude, and renewed purpose, guiding every step ahead by His mercy. Patience is never overlooked, even when it feels invisible. Every moment of restraint, every choice to remain calm, carries weight with Allah. What seems unrewarded in this world is being stored beyond sight, preserved with care and justice. When patience is tested, it cleanses intention and strengthens faith. It teaches the heart to endure without bitterness and to hope without conditions. Allah values consistency over spectacle and sincerity over speed. What is endured for His sake becomes elevation, protection, and light later. Nothing born with trust is lost. It returns transformed into goodness, peace, and reward at the perfect time. Every ending carries the seed of a new beginning, even if the eyes cannot see it yet. Allah writes the next chapter with care, placing lessons, opportunities, and blessings exactly where they belong. What seems final may actually be a prelude to mercy and guidance beyond imagination. The believer learns to move forward with trust, knowing that life's twists are intentional and precise. Each conclusion makes space for growth, understanding, and renewed purpose. When the new chapter unfolds, it arrives aligned with wisdom, timing, and protection, revealing that Allah's planning never errs and that endings are merely the start of His greater design. Remember, what feels like an ending is Allah's way of preparing you for something greater. Trust His timing, hold on to patience, and embrace the lessons hidden in every trial. May Allah grant you ease, guidance, and unwavering faith in every step of your journey. This is Profound Deen. If this spoke to your heart, like, share, and subscribe. I invite you to make this dua. O Allah, prepare me for what is best. Comment this prayer below, and let's share in its blessing together.